And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Hopefully that update comes soon. I'm the king of sending like a text message and being like, shouldn't have sent that. Preserve Club, Camera Richmond, some wispy clouds moving in right now. Overall, it's been some pretty magnificent weather since Saturday. Keep the humidity down, have 70-degree temperatures, and have mainly sunny conditions. And we did again today till a little cloud coverage moved in the afternoon. Temperature right at 70 for the Rhode Island beaches. Go north, and we're in the mid-70s. New Bedford, 72, but you get up to like 75 in Providence. And overall, just really nice conditions. Yes, a little breeze has picked up today out of the southwest. Sustained about 10 to 15, a little stronger in Providence now. Gusts have been about 25 miles per hour, and a little breeze kicking up, ushering in some higher dew points by the time we get to the morning tomorrow. When your dew points are in the 40s and 50s like they have been the last 4 or 5 days, that air is comfortable and it feels really good. And we're in the 50s now. But stretch this out a bit, and you can start to see some 60s off to our south and west. And with the southwest wind, it's going to tug up all that humidity, and that's on the rise as we go into tonight and with us for the next 2 days. When you have a lot of humidity and you start to get those temperatures in the 70s and you bring a storm system in, you start to have a little bit more potential for rainfall. Missed out last week. We had a couple downpours like on Friday night, but we could have had so much more rain last week and we missed out. I don't think that'll be the case this week. Once the humidity rise, the air just becomes so saturated and so available to have heavy rain. I think that first round will come in tonight into Wednesday. Some of the rainfall for the morning commute on Wednesday will be heavy. Then you get a little break in the action. Another round of rain comes in Wednesday night into Thursday. And some of that rainfall, probably more in the way of a steadier rain than a heavier kind of rain. But nonetheless, if we pop what I think we can in the next 2 days, some areas will actually have more rain in the next 2 days than they did for the entire month of May, which is pretty impressive. So for tonight, hour by hour, clouds, yes, no rain, because I have this going up until 1 a.m. I think any kind of rain will come in after 2 a.m. Notice the temperatures, though, holding in the 60s, and by the time you wake up tomorrow, it will feel so much more humid than it has the last 3 or 4 days. And then for tomorrow morning, heavy rain, tapers off to some lighter showers in the afternoon, may even just stop at some point. But notice the temperatures, though, 70s to around 80 degrees, a little cooler with that southwest wind at the beaches. It'll still be humid for you, just not 80 degrees like it will be in Johnston and Burrillville. Southeastern Mass morning rain. It could have a few rumbles of thunder, too, during that morning commute. Showers in the afternoon, tapering off to lighter showers by about 4 or 5 p.m. Temperatures either side of 80 degrees, a little bit cooler towards the beaches. And I say cooler using that term loosely. Mid-70s is really not cool. So, low pressure, frontal boundary. This is system number 1 coming in tonight and tomorrow. Then we kind of wait for the next one to come in. That's Wednesday night to Thursday, and that low pressure is back in the Central Plains. Time it out for you on Futurecast. Here's 1, and here's 2. Here comes 1 for tonight. Showers break out after about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Rainfall could become heavy at times during the morning commute. It's also when you could have a little rumble of thunder as well. There's that heavier rain. You can see it there at about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. And then this rain will push out, and by the afternoon, it's just some lingering showers. We catch our breath, and here comes the next wave of low pressure. And that will work into the area sometime by the time we get into Wednesday night into Thursday. All this rain has to surge north, and many of you are just like, please give me some steady rain. I could really use it. I think this is your chance this week, and you'll see this rainfall stretch across the area as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday. Much of the day on Thursday is a rainy day, and eventually tapering off by the time we get to Thursday night, clearing out. So here's the rainfall potential, 1 to 1.5 inches of rain for some areas. If we hit those higher numbers, I think this will end up being more around like 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain, but nonetheless, a decent soaker. Going to Friday, clear it out, enjoy the sunshine, short-lived. Showers come back on Saturday. That's how we'll start the weekend, especially Saturday night, a real good chance of rain. Dry Sunday, sunny Monday, Tuesday, temperatures hold 70s. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. Just ahead on